Hey guys, Joe from Joe's Engine House here. I got another video for you. I got some construction equipment I ordered from Amazon, which I was looking at for a few months now. I was a little skeptical of buying it, being how affordable they are. Die-cast metal, 1/50th scale for O-gauge layouts. Detail is awesome. Everything is really good quality, looks like. So after I watched Zach from Country Bunker Trains, he bought some from Roundhouse South in Port Orange, Florida. And then a few days later, I went on Amazon to order some myself, the ones I was eyeing up. And I also, today, I made a flat car with a dump truck chained down like you see on the rails today. And let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. And thanks for watching.